is the i-Blason Armorbox going to be worth it for the new S26 Ultra? Let's find out. So when it comes to the overall fit of the case, it does a great job for the new model, has a nice snug fit, and as you can see, it is also lined up well with the camera lenses and all that good stuff. When it comes to the camera lens protection, you do have this piece that does pop out over that lens area, so you can see it's more of a perimeter piece. So if you drop your phone at camera lens side down, it's going to hit that popped out piece first. You've got a rugged hard back, so going to be great for shock absorption, but you also get these reinforced bumpers on each corner of the case. So if you drop your phone on the sides or even the corners itself, it's going to do a better job at absorbing that shock. Flip it over to the screen side and you have a built-in screen protector. So this is a full body case, meaning you got full coverage on the back, full coverage on the front, and that is also going to be fingerprint compatible, so you can unlock your phone with your fingerprint still. Some of the convenient features include the MagSafe ring on the back, which does have a nice MagSafe hold, so you're going to be able to use all of your MagSafe accessories, wireless charging. Included is also going to be that kickstand at the bottom, so that just flips out. You can get your vertical viewing and then also your horizontal with that too. And I'm also a big fan of how you can run your fingers through this kind of grooved pattern. It does allow you to get a lot more grip when holding the phone, and that is also going to be on both sides as well. Overall though, I've always loved the Armorbox from i-Blason. I think they do a great job every year making it for a lot of different phone models. So if you are looking for a more full body case for your S26 Ultra, or you do just want more protection overall, would definitely recommend the Armorbox.